click on Products. Then click on Add Product. We'll start by giving our product a name. I'll name this product Crochet Teddy Bear. And then for the description, I used ChatGPT to help me write it. I like to use emojis and nice formatting like this to make everything look nice and professional. And then under Media, we'll want to upload our product photos. And your product photos are super important. They need to be high quality and look professional to make sure that your customer feels confident in buying your product. So I'll go ahead and drag in my product photos. And those will go ahead and upload right here. And I'm going to reorder these to where my transparent background product photo is the first one. In my opinion, with online stores, having a transparent background for your product photos makes them blend in more and it looks a lot more professional. Next, I'll scroll down and set the price for my product. I'll set this at $19.99. You have some other options here like calculating profit, inventory, shipping, and adding in things like size or color variants. I'm happy with leaving everything as default, so I'll scroll down and go to the bottom right and click on Save. And with that done, I've created my first product.